Now that is a tasty cocktail. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Imbibe Craft. Today, we're going to be doing two things. I'm going to show you how to make a classic daiquiri, and I'm also going to show you how to wipe half of the server in the video game Hunt Showdown with nothing but a cavalry saber. So grab your mixing tools and your sabers. It's time to mix it up. All right, let's get started. First, we're gonna do 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Don't skimp out here, do freshly squeezed. It makes all the difference in the world, nice bright acidity. Next, 3/4 ounces of simple syrup. I'm using a darker sugar, a demerara sugar, but just a classic 1-to-1 white sugar, water. That's it, that's all you need. It makes a classic daiquiri. Next, we're gonna do 2 ounces of rum. I'm using one of my favorites, Bacardi 4-year, but if you have Appleton Estate, that works quite nicely. Things from Real McCoy work really well. Pick your favorite rum and have at it. And that's it. That's all we need. We're going to shake this up with ice, get chilled, it gets diluted, and it gets aerated, and that's really what we're looking for in a daiquiri. It should be bright, refreshing, it should be sweet, sour, all the things we're looking for. It's the holy trinity: rum, lime, sugar. That's what we're doing. That right there is, look at that beauty. That's a classic handshaking daiquiri. One of my favorite cocktails. It's delicious. You should know how to make this. It impresses everybody. That's it. That's all there is to it. Handshaking daiquiri. Now let's go check out some Hunt Showdown footage and let's go saber some stuff. I kind of want to take a saber in there. Cavalry saber for fun.
That window up.
Saber dead? He's out the window?
He was peeking out the window. Oop, he just killed me. Around the killed me.
Saber 2. Enemy 0.
God damn it.
Oh my god, dude.
You saber him?
Yeah. I saber both of them, bro. I brought this in as a joke. I mean, you know what I'm saying? That's how you bring a sword to a gunfight. That's what you get. You bring a sword to a gunfight. That's what you get. You know what I'm saying? I can't believe I questioned it. I really can't. Hey, if you're still here, thanks again for watching. I stream live on Twitch Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday, 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Come hang out with me live with the rest of my awesome community, Shaker Nation. Love to talk about booze, beers, cocktails, whatever you want while we play some games. Cheers. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do with my hand at this point.